I totally get how tough it can be to juggle work, life, and everything in between as a busy girl. That's why I'm always looking for simple self care habits that I can do even on my busiest days to clear my mind, recharge, and feel refreshed. So, in today's video, I'm sharing 5 easy self care habits that every girl needs to feel more balanced and ready to take on the day. Number one, journal to clear your mind. So, first, start with mindset reset. And this can be done with journaling. Now, if you don't know what journaling is, it is basically writing down your feelings, thoughts, experiences, and reflections. That helps you to clear your mind. And it's proven now that journaling is really beneficial. Journaling helps to deal with stress. No wonder that it can help you to do so. Because when there are so many things in your mind and you keep juggling with thoughts, it makes you feel really overwhelmed and that leads to stress. But when you journal, you can express your thoughts there, and it's proven that it can help you to deal with stress. A study was done to observe the benefits of journaling, where patients, families, and healthcare professionals from a children's hospital were provided 3 prompts to journal on. Number one is write 3 things you are grateful for. Number two is write the story of your life in 6 words. And number three is write 3 wishes you have. And the whole concept was called 3MMM journaling. That means 3-minute makeover. And the result was amazing because it was seen that even those who didn't journal before found this journaling session helpful. And a follow-up study was done where a large percentage of people strongly agreed that this journaling session was helpful. So journaling helps you to find clarity, clear your mind, and maintain sanity even when you are in a hectic schedule. It also improves your overall well-being because it takes care of your mental health and definitely improves your mood as well. Another side benefit of journaling is that when you keep writing your thoughts, you are able to channelize your emotions and thoughts in one direction. It also helps you get new directions because it makes you think actively. And it also helps you to build the ability to solve your problem on your own. In brief, journaling can help you to know yourself more deeply. It can help you to know your pinpoints, fear, struggles, dream, and identify the common triggers that make you feel bad, and the list goes on. It's a few months I have been trying journaling actively and being more regular on it. I have seen that it has been tremendously helpful. It helps me to find mental balance even when I feel bad or sad and other things that I want to express. Journaling is really a safe place to do so. I started with the simplest way. This is even helpful for those who are in their intermediate level of journaling. Whatever is in your mind, just jot down. You don't need a journaling prompt or anything when you are just starting out. Journaling prompts are really helpful. I have tried some of them. But when you are just starting out, then the simplest way to start with regular journaling is to jot down anything that comes in your mind. It could be anything. So I started with digital journaling, and for that I use Notion. I have created a simple minimal template for me to use. If you're new to this and trying out for the very first time, or if you are on the intermediate level and if you just love the way of jotting down your thoughts in freestyle, then this template can help you. So I will link that below in the description box. You can grab it for absolutely free. And here are some quick tips for starting out journaling, because definitely when you are just starting out, then most likely you are not going to do it regularly. So here are some quick tips that I found myself really helpful. The best time to journal is during morning when you are just starting your day, or in the evening when your day is over. You can try actually both to see which works. Both actually have benefits. Like when you are journaling in the morning, then it helps to find some clarity and intentions to start your day right. And if you want to include journaling in the nighttime routine or after your day, then it helps to reflect your day and can take out your stress. So both have their own benefits. Definitely, you can do both as well if you find it helpful. But when you are just starting out, you are not most likely doing twice a day, but just once a day. Stick with that. You can experiment with both and see what works for you. I prefer to do it in the morning just before I start my work, and that helps to clear my mind, get some clarity, and set intentions for the day. Number two, commit for small. And what I mean by that, basically, you don't need like 15 minutes, 20 minutes to journal when you were just starting out, because when you were just starting, then you're not most likely going to enjoy that process. But to stick to that routine, just start with 2 to 5 minutes, whatever you think is absolutely doable for you on regular basis. So just pick that time and ideally time block in your calendar and stick to that. It helps you to stick to that regular routine and make journaling a daily habit. We have taken care of our mind by journaling. Now, for the next self care habit, let's shift to physical health and energy. Okay. Number 2, switch to healthy foods. We all talk about self care and other things. When it comes to self care, it reminds me of skincare, but it's not, I think, truly self care. Instead, it goes to the category of self pampering or grooming, I would say. So, my point is, we all talk about self care, but we forget about what we eat. Good food fuels your energy and supports your overall health. But remember that healthy meals need not to be boring or costlier. It could be very affordable as well as tasty. The most common thing I see that most of us complain that we can't eat healthy because of our hectic schedules, because we are so busy that we can't afford the time to cook and we have to outsource the food most of the times. Eat all the stuffs outside. But think about it, you are the most important, right? So what's the point of a thriving career or anything else if there is no health? And the moment you realize the importance of healthy eating and taking care of yourself properly from inside, then you will do whatever is needed for that. The moment you realize this deeply, you will understand how important your food is, because what you intake becomes your body. And if you realize it right, then you will surely pay some attention to what you eat. Now, here are some quick tips that can help you to eat healthy even on your busiest days. Number 1 is plan and prep ahead. If you plan a bit and prep beforehand, then it can save you so much time and you can have your healthy meal even when you are busy. For example, you can chop your veggies and prepare your spices beforehand, so it can save the time while you are cooking. Number 2 is go for some quick recipes. There are so many recipes out on the internet. You can see so many quick, healthy recipes that take some 10 to 15 minutes to make. There are smoothies, wraps, one-pot meals, no-cook salad recipes, and so on. There are so many recipes that are so simple to make as well as healthy and saves your time on cooking so that you can have a healthy meal even when you are busy. And number 3 is stock up easy snacks that needs no cooking. For example, there are nuts and seeds, fruits, yogurt, makhana, and so on. All of these snacks are nutritious and need no cooking. So you can have healthy snacks as well without giving you extra time to cook. Being an Indian, I love how versatile our food is. There are so many healthy recipes with simple kitchen ingredients that are so easy to make. These are tasty as well as nourishing. We can easily find the recipes on the internet that are easy to make as well as healthy. Now, to wrap up, we all know what food is good and what is bad for us. So I won't go over that. There are some simple rules that are easy and sustainable. Number 1, less packaged food and eating outside. Number 2 is a balanced meal. At least we have some basic knowledge like a balanced meal should have some carb, protein, fat, and other essential vitamins, right? We all know that. And number 3 is we should include some protein in every meal, whether it's plant-based or animal-based, depends on your personal preference. Number 3, have me time in your routine. So prioritizing yourself can help boost your mood, refresh your mind, and keeps you balanced. You can definitely find out some time from a whole 24 hours, which is solely dedicated to yourself. And this point reminds me a quote from Boss Babe community: you owe yourself 1 hour a day of self-maintenance. It can include reading, writing, yoga, exercise, dancing, meditation, painting, or whatever. But you owe it to yourself. 1 hour, 1 by 24 of your day. That's less than 5%. It matters. It really does. Make it count. The moment I saw this quote, I felt like, yes, it was written for me. And I'm pretty sure that it was for every busy girl out there. No matter how busy you are, you can find yourself some time. And me time is basically spend some time what makes you feel good and happy. This me time doesn't have to be a long time block. You can do what feels convenient for you. Even small moments of joy can help reset your mood and balance your energy. Now, here are some of my favorite rituals that I like to do in my me time to give you some ideas where you can start from. Number one is skincare rituals. I like to follow a basic weekday routine to feel refreshed and good in my own skin. This can act as a quick mood booster if you love skincare things. And on the weekend, I like to take a time-taking relaxing session that helps to unwind and boost mood. So if you love skincare things, then you can try this out. Number two is quick physical care. A morning walk to soak some sunlight and get some fresh air. I love 15 to 20 minutes of morning walk with my mom and my furry baby. It actually acts like energizing start of the day. So simple stretches, morning walk, workout. All of this can work wonders for your energy levels. For me, I love stretches, workout, as well as a morning walk with my mom and my furry baby. All of this helps me to take care of my physical health as well as act as an energy booster. You can do whatever makes you feel good and makes you feel happy to take care of your physical health, which is essential for taking care of no one but yourself. Number three is quality time with animals. If you already have a furry baby, then spend time playing and cuddling with them. It's one of the easiest ways to distress, feel calm, and feel deep love. There is no fixed time for me. It could be any time when I'm not actively working. It could also be during the breaks in my work time because my work is primarily home-based. So yeah. I also love spending time with community animals, especially dogs. And if you are an animal lover, make some time for them. It may not be on daily basis. It may be some weekend or monthly basis as well when you get some time, but definitely make some time because it not only helps them, but helps you as well. Because helping animals is self-satisfactory as well as it's great for your mental health. Number four is nature moments. Take a moment to enjoy the beauty around you. Watch the sky, watch the plant you are taking care of, and anything that's of Mother Nature, watch them. A few minutes with nature makes you feel calm and grounded. And it doesn't need to be at specific times. It could be done anytime while you are taking a break. It's easy to do if you sit near a window. Just a few minutes can help you a lot. Number five, small acts of kindness. It could be feeding a stray animal or helping others. These acts are incredibly satisfying and uplifting. And it's a win-win because it will help them as well as you. It doesn't take so much time. If you have intentions, you can do it anytime. It boosts your mood and mental health and it feels so good. So, coming to the next self-care habit, take a break from your screen. In today's world, we all use digital screens, whether it's our phone or any other gadget, especially for those who work on screens, for example, content creators. And it's proven that excessive screen time can cause serious health issues. Staring at screen for hours can lead to eye strain. In fact, there could be a bunch of eye issues due to the excessive use of computer, and which is named as computer vision syndrome, which is not a particular eye issue. Research shows that in between 50% to 90% people who work on computer screens have at least some of the symptoms. And there could be some physical health issues like neck pain, shoulder pain, and back pain. And not only that, there could be a bunch of mental health issues as well, such as depression, anxiety, and mood disorders. I know in today's world, we all have to use digital screens, but we could do things to minimize the effects and help ourselves. So here are some simple ideas that you can practice during your work hours. Number one, take a break for stretching or just a little walk. It could be after some 30 minutes or 45 minutes of work. You can take some 5 to 10 minutes or 15 minutes of break to just stretch or simply walk. Number two, don't forget to rest your eyes. And there are some quick ways to do that. First of all, during the work breaks, don't look at your mobile screens. Number two, during work, look away from the screen for a few seconds. And you can also try out fast blinking during your work session. Again, there is a rule called 20-20-20 that is advised by health professionals, which says that every 20 minutes, you have to look 20 feet away for 20 seconds. It may not be possible to do every 20 minutes, but after some time, we can definitely do that because it just takes 20 seconds. I'm sure we can spend 20 seconds for our eye health, right? The next thing you can do is adjust the brightness, contrast, and font sizes of your gadgets. This can reduce eye strain remarkably. I prefer to keep my devices at low brightness and in night mode. Keeping devices in night mode helps reduce blue light significantly. And this blue light point takes me to the next point, which is get a blue light glass, especially if your work includes screens. This kind of glass helps minimize the amount of blue light entering your eyes, so it can help your eye from so many issues that are caused by using screens. I have been using a blue light glass since 2 or 3, and I have seen a huge difference after using them because it helped reduce eye strain and watery eyes, which are most common after using screens. If you want to check out, I will link it in the description box below. So these are the 4 things that you can do during your work hours. And there are other things that you can do outside your work hours. Number 1 is limit your screen time. Most often we do mindless scrolling instead of watching something. This drains your energy and steals your time. You can also set your no screen or no phone hours when you are not supposed to use your phone or any screens. Number 3 is set timer for the apps where we tend to spend time mindlessly. For example, Instagram, TikTok. And I am sure that there are other apps as well. So here are some personal reflections. Reducing screen time has definitely helped me for my eye health, for my physical health, and also my mood. Reducing screen time helped me to save my time and energy for the things that actually matter to me, and also helped me gain more control over my schedule and focus on the most important things. And the next self-care habit is prioritize rest and sleep. So why I have included this one? Because when you are busy, then it's easy to sacrifice your rest time and sleep time. I have seen that most people are ready to sacrifice this sacred time of rest and sleep when they get busy. So it's a reminder for you that your body system needs proper rest to work to its full capacity. And it's a non-negotiable part of your self-care. Proper rest and sleep are essentials for your energy and focus. An article from Harvard Business School clearly states that prioritizing better sleep improves career performance. On the other hand, lack of sleep, even when you are working for long hours, can harm both your work performance and your personal life. So good sleep is essential for your work life and personal life. We all know that 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep is important, and if possible, you can take a quick power nap in between to recharge yourself. I generally get around 7+ hours of sleep every night, and it really helps my health. I also like to take a power nap after my work is done. That helps me feel fresh and recharged. So that's the wrap. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. Check out the curated playlist I have put together for you. It's full of tips to help you take better care of yourself.